Assembly project, array comparison and sorting. Join Madan and Shashank as we guide you through our ARM assembly project, which compares two array and sorts them based on their equality using the pulse sort algorithm. Key steps in the ARM assembly program includes setting up registers and pointers for the arrays, comparing the arrays to check for equality, sorting the array using the bubble sort algorithm based on the comparison result. Now let us start with the initialization. R0 stores the size of the arrays. Here we have given 5 elements. R1 and R2 holds base address of array1 and array2 respectively. R4 is our index register. R5 is the flag for mismatch if initial is equal to 0. Now we move on to our compare loop. LDR R6 loads the current element from array1. LDR R7 loads the corresponding element from array2. CMP R6 R7 compares them. If not equal, it branches to the not equal label. If equal, it continues until all elements are compared. If no mismatches are found, the program jumps to ascending order. If any element does not match, we immediately jump to the descending order. Now, let us see the code for ascending bubble sort algorithm. The block performs a bubble sort in ascending order on array 1. The outer loop R6 controls how many passes. The inner loop compares adjacent elements using CMP. If the current value is greater than the next one, we swap using STR. This continues until the array is sorted in ascending order. Now let us see the code for descending bubble sort algorithm. It is similar to ascending sort but reversed. We only swap if the first element is less than the second. This gives us on descending order sort. The logic and structure mirrors the previous block. Once sorting is done, the program reaches the end, label and execute a NOP, no operation instruction that simply mark the program conclusion. Now case 1. If array are not equal before execution and after execution of the program, the elements in the array 1 are sorted in descending order. Now case 2. If the elements are equal, this is before execution and after execution, the elements in the array 1 are sorted in ascending order. Thank you for watching our presentation presented by K. Madan 1NH23CS104 and Shashank 1NH23CS092. Thank you.